In this video, I'll guide you through how to manage bounce rates in HubSpot. Bounce rates can significantly impact your email marketing success, so understanding how to manage them is crucial. Let's dive right in and learn how you can effectively handle this in HubSpot. First, you need to navigate to the right section in HubSpot. Start by going to the Marketing tab. Once there, click on Email. You'll see a list of emails you've sent. Select one of your sent emails to get started. This is where you can begin analyzing how your emails are performing in terms of bounces. Next, you'll want to focus on the Recipients tab. Once you're in the Recipients tab, look to the left sidebar where you'll find different email status categories. Click on the Bounced category. This will filter your recipients list to show only those email addresses where delivery failed, giving you a clearer picture of the bounce issues you need to address. Now it's time to dive into the details. Review the reason column next to each bounced email. This column provides crucial insights into why each email bounced. Let's break down the common reasons you'll encounter. First up, we have unknown user. This reason indicates that the email address is either invalid or has been deleted. This usually happens when a recipient changes their email provider or an employee leaves a company and their email gets deactivated. It's a good practice to regularly update your contact list to avoid sending emails to such addresses. The next reason you might see is mailbox full. This means that the recipient's storage is maxed out. While this is usually a temporary issue, it's worth noting if it persists, as it could indicate that the recipient is no longer actively managing their email account. Keeping track of these addresses can help you decide when to remove them from your list. Another reason could be policy mark. Here, the recipient server has rejected your email due to authentication issues. This usually means there's a misalignment between your sending domain and the recipient's security policies. Ensure that your domain's SPF, DKIM, and DMR settings are correctly configured to improve deliverability and reduce these bounces. Lastly, you might see the spam reason. This indicates that your content triggered the recipient's spam filters. It's essential to review your email content for anything that might be considered spammy. Use clear subject lines, avoid excessive use of caps lock or exclamation marks, and ensure that your content is relevant and valuable to your recipients. By understanding these reasons and taking corrective actions, you can significantly manage and reduce your bounce rates. Regularly updating your contact list, ensuring proper authentication, and crafting high-quality content are all strategies that will lead to better email deliverability and improved engagement with your audience. That's it for this quick guide on how to manage bounce rates in HubSpot. Implement these steps and you'll be on your way to more effective email marketing campaigns. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos for more HubSpot tips and tricks.